fucking foreign tourists.
We don't get this in Australia. I went viral, ladies and gentlemen. Links in the description if you wanna take a look at that. But yeah, I'm not above owning my mistakes. I said Japan was the worst country in the world to live as a foreigner. That is obvious hyperbole. If I wanted to be more accurate, I could have said something a little more caveated, like Japan is the worst of the developed nations that follow the United Nations idea of a rules-based global order. But I admit, I sort of played to the audience and exaggerated. So yeah, I'm owning that. I apologize for that. Japan is not the worst country in the world. Obviously, dictatorships and authoritarian nations like China are probably worse for foreigners than Japan is. Now, the one section of what I said I'm not going to walk back is where I said for foreigners. I did not say for all foreigners, so I did not specify that because of the question, which was, what do I have to say? It is obvious what I said was my opinion. Obviously, everyone's situations are different. Obviously, not everyone's going to experience time in Japan the same way I do, because not everyone is me. By and large, most of the people in the comments figure that one out. And the people who did choose that as their starting point to rage, we're going to rage no matter what, because it's the internet. As for the comments, probably the heaviest majority were people who just said they agree with me. That's actually saddens me. I'd prefer it if everyone disagreed with me, because that would mean the bad things I experienced in Japan are me, not a general. The other side were very vocal. If you hate it so much, why don't you just leave? I didn't say I hated Japan. I didn't say I wanted to leave now. I just said that 10 years ago, with 2020 hindsight, being where I am now, would I go through everything I did in the last 10 years again to reach this point of being able to live here? If I had the opportunity to leave and go somewhere else, I'd go somewhere else. But that's not how life works, ladies and gentlemen. That's not how reality works. Yeah, it is the internet. I must say I am very spoilt on my channel, having you guys expressing your opinions and understanding that my opinions are my opinions, and we have a great fucking time here because, you know, we use our brains. Yeah, I went viral. That's it. Fucking A, I suppose.
drum hit your face, you.
On another celestial body named the Epic Journey.
Alright, so today's video is brought to you all by PG on PayPal. I'm not going to say your name on the internet, but you know who you are. Thank you so much. Of course, thanks to everyone who supports on Patreon. Thanks to everyone who supports with the likes and the watches and the shares. It all helps, so thank you so much. PG, thank you so much. You fucking rock. Fucking A.